Ready to unlock a world of VR adventures, but stuck on the payment screen? Let's get your credit card added to your Oculus Quest in a flash. First, grab your phone and open the Oculus App. Look down at the bottom of your screen and tap on the round profile icon labeled Menu. This will take you to your profile settings. On the menu options, scroll down until you see the Setting button, which may look like a gear. Tap on it. This will bring up a new screen of options. Now look for payment methods and give that a tap. Here, you'll see any payment methods you already have since we're adding a new one. Tap the Add Payment Method button. Now you are at the credit card form. Carefully type in your credit card number, the expiration date, and the security code that's usually on the back of your card. Double check these. They're super important. Next, you'll need to enter your billing address details including name, address, city, and zip code. Make sure the billing address matches the one associated with your credit card. Once you've filled everything in, tap Save. That's it. Your credit card is now added to your Oculus Quest, ready to start buying games, apps, and experiences in your new virtual world.